Hey guys, it's me Mijia of XiaomiReview.com. We have here the Xiaomi hair dryer. Okay, so this is not your ordinary gadget that it's Wi-Fi powered, Bluetooth powered, but this is just a, well, out of the ordinary hair dryer. Okay, so I'm going to open this box up. So Xiaomi has been getting a lot of gadgets lately, so from toothbrush to hairdryer to underwears, name it, they got it. And okay, this is the air guide, airflow guide. Right here, okay, airflow guide. Okay, let's see. Okay, so there's nothing more inside the box. So this is the unit proper. Okay, so there are 3 modes, and this is the hot and cold mode. Okay, it's so cute and it's so small that okay, you can see it's so small. You can see the fan at the back. Okay, it's the where the wind comes up. It's the hot and cold mode, and this is the fan 1, 2, and 3. Of course, it's a charging cord. It's a 2-prong universal charger. So it's what's good is it's magnetic. Okay, not unlike the others, you need to screw it or what. This one is pretty much magnetic. Okay, so we'll give it a run. Right now. The wind is pretty strong. Okay, you can see there's a light bulb. Okay, the blue indicates cold. The orange indicates hot air. Okay, so yep, that's about it for the Xiaomi Mijia hair dryer. Okay, I'm Mijia02. Thanks for watching.